If you share your computer with others, or if you simply want to keep different types of browsing separate, Opera GX profiles are extremely useful. Profiles let you create separate browser environments, each with its own bookmarks, history, settings, and extensions. This means you can keep your work browsing completely separate from personal use, or even create a dedicated profile just for gaming or research. In this video, I'll show you how to create profiles in Opera GX. Let's get started. First, open Opera GX on your computer. Now click the icon in the top left corner of the browser window. From here, go to Profiles to find an option to add a new one. Click Add. First up, we have the Streaming Profile. This is pre-optimized to make your live streams go smoothly by muting all your tabs by default so you don't get any surprise audio playing on stream, and turning off hardware acceleration to prevent encoding lag. Next is Roguelike, which gives you a completely fresh start every single time you launch the browser. Think of it like a permanent incognito mode. It won't save your history, your bookmarks, or your cookies, acting like a brand new install every time you open it. Finally, there's the Standard Profile. This is your classic blank canvas where you can customize absolutely everything from scratch, making it perfect to tweak exactly how you want for regular gaming, work, or everyday browsing. This is likely the most used option from the three. I'll show the next steps with this one. You'll be asked to choose a name for the new profile. For example, you might name it Work, Personal, Gaming, or Study, depending on how you plan to use it. Next, Opera GX allows you to choose a color for the profile, which helps you visually distinguish between them. Once created, the new profile opens as a completely separate browser environment. It will not share bookmarks, history, or settings with your other profiles. This is what makes profiles so powerful. Each one behaves like a separate browser installation. You can switch between profiles at any time by clicking the profile again and selecting the one you want to use. Now, there are different ways people typically use profiles. A work profile is usually kept clean and focused, often with productivity extensions and work-related bookmarks. A personal profile is more relaxed, used for everyday browsing, social media, and general use. A gaming or entertainment profile is often used for streaming, gaming-related content, and leisure browsing. These separations help keep everything organized and reduce clutter between different parts of your digital life. If you ever want to remove a profile, you can do that as well. Go back to the Profile Manager, select the profile you want to delete, and choose the Remove or Delete option. Keep in mind that deleting a profile will also remove its associated data, including bookmarks, history, and settings for that profile. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed profiles in Opera GX. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Opera GX tutorials, productivity guides, browser customization tips, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.